Migrate your project management data to Asana easily with Migration Wizard. Create a Migration Wizard account, go to app.relokia.com and sign up. Then you can set up your demo migration or discuss Concierge data migration. Let's click on Start Demo Migration and set up free demo data transfer. Choose your source project management system from a list of supported platforms. Then fill in the access credentials. The required access information depends on the chosen platforms. Configure your source connection and select a project you want to transfer. Migration Wizard moves by default data only from one project in demo migration and in full migration. So you need to set up as many demo and full migrations as projects you want to import to a new project management tool. If you want to migrate several projects in one full migration, contact our support team for more detail. Choose your target platform, Asana, from the list. To connect Asana to Migration Wizard, sign in with your account. Also, be sure to switch off notifications in Asana settings before running your demo migration. Now select the workspace and project where to migrate your source project management data. Moving forward, specify what data entities you'd like to import. You can transfer users and tasks along with comments, attachments, tags, and custom fields. Once you click on the box next to users, you need to match items. There's a pop-up window to map user profiles. If you have unassigned, deleted, or inactive users, then choose a default user to map those records to this very user. When you're done, click Save Matching. Now let's move to task mapping. The source platform fields will be mapped to Asana fields. You can map default and custom fields. There are two ways to migrate custom fields to Asana. First way, create custom fields in Asana before setting up your demo migration. The second way, add those custom fields in Asana during data mapping. Choose a custom field and click Add the same field in Asana. You will find this custom field at the bottom. Once everything is done, hit Save Mapping. Now click Continue and start your free demo to test drive Migration Wizard. When your Asana migration is complete, you will see migration results. The table includes reports for migrated, skipped, and failed records. Click on a button next to the report you want to check. There you get a list of records ID in the source platform and their new ID in Asana. While checking tasks, note the authors and created at dates of comments migrate in the comment body. After the demo, you also get counted all records available for migration in this project and price of your full data migration. If you want to make changes, you can edit any step of your demo migration settings at the left sidebar. Do you have specific requirements for your data import to Asana? Choose a suitable support plan. Data migration to Asana can be easy and effortless. Go to app.relokia.com and start your free test import.